Good morning. So we are here at the lovely Glasshouse Mountains for a little bit of adventure on the new bike. The sun is rising somewhere behind me in the clouds, and we're gonna have some fun. So I'm gonna finish my drink, I'm gonna wake up, have a little stretch because it's been a bit of a long ride to get here, and we're gonna hit some trails, have some fun. So let's do it. Alright, and this is officially the first time I've ever taken the new bike off-road, so exciting. It's actually only really my second time on a dirt road, on a motorcycle or on an Enfield road. So it's going to be fun. I really don't know which way to go. Oh, it's going to be a slushy day, I think. That bike is proper muddy. Now, I'm getting proper hungry. I found the main road. I think it's the main road. I'm a little less lost. I can hear cars that way, which means the main tracks are probably back that way. Gonna book it back to the lookout. I'm gonna find my bearings and work out how to get down the bottom of this ridge, so I can hopefully get a bit closer to the mountains and get some shots with them in the backdrop, and find some food. So, that's an update. This place is awesome. I love it here. Doing my best not to destroy the tracks. It is pretty wet, so that's why I'm not taking it too heavy and hitting up the main roads, but I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna keep riding. Let's go. So, made it back to the lookout. Turns out I was like a minute away from it, which is awesome. And look at that view. It's a bit better than when we were here this morning. I have to say, I'm significantly more tired than when I started this journey this morning, but my back hurts. I can say that it's all been pretty well worth it so far. I mean, this is beautiful. So, the plan is I can hear dirt bikes that way. Kind of want to get one of these mountains in the back shot and in the forest down there. I can see a road. All I got to do is get to that road and I should be able to get everything I want to get. So I might cheat a little bit, use a little Google Maps, which I don't really like doing, and let's see if we can't get down onto that road just there. Alright, well, I'm going to skip the boring bit of me riding down the road and probably being lost for 10 minutes, and we'll catch up right down there. Let's do a cool zoomy thing. Zoomy zoomy! Gotcha! Alright, so we are in a lot thicker bush. The roads that I could see that I initially threw you guys towards, unfortunately were gated off, fenced off. They're forestry, so you're not allowed in there. But we're in the national park section. Sort of got a decision. I can go right, which goes up the hill, or I can go left and down the hill. Yeah, big decisions, right? What I'm thinking is the mountain is dead ahead of me. I'm leaning left, even though it looks more enclosed in. I can always turn around and come back. The ground here is pretty soft. I almost dropped the bike a couple of times getting in here. So we're going to take it slow and steady, and you guys are going to ride along with me. Let's find out what there is. Now you guys get to ride side on the bike now, because that little rough section, which hopefully I've got the footage for, because the camera spent the whole time bumping me in the side of the head and turning around. So I'm just going to hope like mad that some of it came out good and I've been able to show you what it's like. If not, I've checked the footage, I might have to go back through it on the way out. But this seems to be a bit more of a firmer road, a little less muddy. We're going to book it up here. If it gets too sloppy, we might just have to call it a day. But let's go up, see how it looks, and get it done. that, guys, wraps up this little adventure out here in the Glasshouse Mountains. Didn't quite get the mountain backdrop I was after, but it's pretty close. I'm pretty sure I'm on the wrong side of the state forest, and there is just too much mud between me and there to get over there for today. Calling it early. My body's really starting to play up. My hips are hurting, my back's hurting, and it probably means that it's time to call it before I drop it. But there's one last thing to do to celebrate a good adventure. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one. It is like 8:45 in the morning. I wonder if I should finish this. Brekkie beers.